The Data Presentation Tool, referred to as the DPT, is a quality improvement tool created by the Canadian Primary Care Sentinel Surveillance Network, which allows you to visualize and explore your patient panel. In this video, we will introduce you to the diabetes dashboard, which can be navigated to using the top bar. This dashboard is a detailed console that consolidates key patient information to improve your management of patients diagnosed with diabetes. Now, let's explore each section. The diabetes dashboard includes sections of graphs which represent information relevant to your diabetic patients. These graphs are interactive and are color-coded by category. First, we see blue graphs at the top of the dashboard which provide information about patient demographics, including sex, age, and their distance in kilometers from the clinic. Below this, we see green graphs showing information pertaining to patients' physical exams, including measurements such as body mass index and blood pressure. And if we scroll further down, we see turquoise graphs with patients' lab readings, including common labs for blood glucose control, kidney function, and cardiovascular health. This next section contains information pertaining to referrals. Selecting these boxes filters the graphs to include patients with or without referrals. Finally, there are orange graphs showing calculated scores, including the Framingham risk score and deprivation scores. For more information on deprivation scores, please visit the CPCSSN YouTube channel. And at the very bottom of the dashboard is a button to search for selected patients, which allows the user to apply the desired filters and run a search to obtain a list of those patients, and potentially follow up with them. The diabetes dashboard allows you to filter the data to identify specific patient populations of interest. First, we will investigate how to filter comorbidities by selecting boxes here on the left-hand side of the page. This filtering system has 3 levels. Leaving all of the boxes on the left comorbidities menu unselected shows the first level. Here we are told that there are a total of 301 patients diagnosed with diabetes, and the filter section shows us there is currently no filter being applied. The second level is shown after one of the boxes in the menu has been selected. As an example, we can click on hypertension, which puts a tick in the hypertension box. Notice that there is a corresponding change in the graphs on the diabetes dashboard. The graphs are now showing patients diagnosed with both diabetes and hypertension. These graphs are now displaying information pertaining to only 143 out of the original 301 patients, and we can see that the filter section now includes with hypertension. Clicking the hypertension box again reveals the third filtering level. Now we see a minus sign appear in the hypertension box, and again a change in the corresponding graphs on the dashboard. The graphs are now showing those patients diagnosed with diabetes who do not have hypertension, and this accounts for 158 patients. And finally, to get back to the original state with no filters, click the box once more. Another filtering feature is the ability to focus on specific ranges of values. For example, we can use the graph representing age to limit the age range to patients between 60 and 70 years old. We do this by clicking and dragging the cursor to create the desired range. All the graphs on the page update in real time, and now the graphs only show data pertaining to patients between 60 and 70 years old. You can also drag this 10-year range to observe trends for different age groups. For example, we can drag this range to see data pertaining to patients 65 to 75 or 75 to 85 years of age. We hope this short video has shown you how you can use the diabetes dashboard in the DPT for an in-depth visualization of your patients. If you are interested in joining CPCSSN, join now at cpcsn.ca. For more videos like these, visit the CPCSSN YouTube channel.